Good morning children. Today I am going to teach new lesson from the new textbook of English textbook. It is the new textbook of 6th class English textbook. The textbook name is Blossoms. In this textbook totally 8 lessons are there. In this textbook totally 8 lessons are there. The first lesson is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. That lesson is funny and humorous. Children, what do you know about Tenali Ramakrishna? He was a jester, comedian, poet in the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Children, in this page has a one picture activity. By this picture, what do you understand? This is the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. The picture is regarding to the Sri Krishna Deva Raya. In this picture, we can observe one of the person is sitting on the throne. He was a King Sri Krishna Deva Raya. 2 courtiers are standing beside the king, and one of the person is wearing a pot on his head. He was a Tenali Ramakrishna. Children, here have some questions. First one is, what do you see in the picture? Children, we can find in the picture the Krishna Deva Raya is sitting on the throne and witty person standing before him. He was saying something. Second one, who is sitting on the throne? Children, already do you know that Sri Krishna Deva Raya was sitting on the throne? Third one, can you guess the person who covered his head with a pot? He was a Tenali Ramakrishna wearing pot on his head. Why means there will be something special regarded to that activity. Fourth one, do you know any funny incidents related to Tenali Ramakrishna? You had watched so many stories of Tenali Ramakrishna in our school projector. Do you know so many stories of Tenali Ramakrishna? After watching video, you have to write any funniest story related to Tenali Ramakrishna. Before entering the lesson, you have to learn the glossary. Your Majesty, a little of respect used while addressing king and queen. What is the meaning of majesty? A little of respect used while addressing king and queen. Next one, unique. Unique means only one of its kind. Unmatched, grateful, thankful. Snapped, made a sudden sound by the fingers. Advisor. What is the meaning of advisor? One who offers advice. Next one, announcement. Announcement means a public notice. Irrelevant. Irrelevant means improper. Irrelevant means improper. Impatient. Impatient means eager. Eager. Assured. Assured means convinced. Convinced or promised. Dirghayushman Bhava. Dirghayushman Bhava. What is the meaning of Dirghayushman Bhava? May you have long life. It is a Sanskrit expression. Introduce. Introduce means make known. Make known. Realize. Understand. What is the meaning of realize? Understand. Main part of the lesson, Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Deva Raya's court. The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. People also liked his paintings. Chitravarma was the most famous painter where in Sri Krishna Deva Raya's court. Emperor. Who is the emperor here? Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Pleased. Pleased means felt happy and satisfied with Chitravarma's paintings. People also liked his paintings. One day Chitravarma was busy painting. Then Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya happened to visit him. When Chitravarma was busy in paintings, then Sri Krishna Devaraya without informed to visit him. The lesson is conversation between four members: Chitravarma, Sri Krishna Devaraya, the courtiers, and Ramakrishna. Chitravarma, when he saw Sri Krishna Devaraya, he was welcoming like this: "Welcome, Your Majesty." Chitravarma was welcoming to Sri Krishna Devaraya. Welcome, Your Majesty. Majesty means giving respect to queen or kings. Sri Krishna Devaraya: "Oh, what a beautiful picture. It looks so natural." It looks so natural means it looks a very really. The courtiers: "Yes, Your Majesty, really it is wonderful." Sri Krishna Devaraya: "No painter on earth can compete with you. Chitravarma, you are a unique painter." Compete means no competition with your paintings. You are a unique painter. Unique means only one its kind. You are a peculiar one in paintings. You shall be rewarded. You shall be rewarded. Rewarded means gift. What do you say, Ramakrishna? Ramakrishna, there only. He is Sri Krishna Devaraya asking to Ramakrishna. What do you say, Ramakrishna? Ramakrishna said like this: "Yes, my lord." My lord means Mahaprabhu. Avunu Mahaprabhu. Such an artist he is. He deserves your encouragement. Deserve means capable person. He is a capable person. Your encouragement. Encouragement means పొగడ్త. మీ పొగడ్తకి అతడు అర్హుడు. Who is capable person? Chitravarma. Why means he was a great painter. Sri Krishna Devaraya: "That's great. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants." Chitravarma: "Thank you very much, Your Majesty. It's all your affection and encouragement." Sri Krishna Devaraya: "Your presence in the Council of Advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire." Boon means gift. Your presence means have be in the Council of Advisors. Advisors means who is giving a advice. Who is giving advices. Advisors will be a boon. Boon means gift to the Vijayanagara. Chitravarma have been in the Council of Advisor. Will be a boon అంటే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఉండడము మాకు ఒక గిఫ్ట్ లాంటిది అని చెప్తున్నాడు. చిత్రవర్మ: "I am afraid I am not, Your Majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants." నేను క్యాపబుల్ పర్సన్ని కాదు. ఐ ఆమ్ నాట్ ఎ క్యాపబుల్ పర్సన్. యువర్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఆర్ వర్త్ ద స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ 1000 ఎలిఫెంట్స్. అడ్వైజర్గా ఉండడానికి నేను క్యాపబుల్ పర్సన్ని కాదు. యువర్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ అంటే మీ దీవెనలు నాకు 1000 ఏనుగుల బలాన్ని కల్పించాయి. శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ: "నో, ఏ గ్రేట్ పెయింటర్ లైక్ యూ షుడ్ బి రివార్డెడ్ ఇన్ ఫిట్టింగ్ మేనర్." అంటే కంపల్సరీ నువ్వు బహుమతి పొందడానికి అర్హత కలిగిన వానివి. చిత్రవర్మ: "యువర్ హైనెస్ ఈజ్ మెర్సిఫుల్." శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ: థింకింగ్ ఫర్ ఎ వైల్ he snapped his fingers. While Sri Krishna Devaraya thinking, he making a sound with his fingers. "You will be my chief advisors from today onwards." Chitravarma: "What? I cannot understand. How I am blessed, Your Majesty." Ramakrishna, excuse me, Your Majesty, he is talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? Ramakrishna said, excuse me, Your Majesty, he is talented in painting. Chitravarma was talented in painting, but would it be right decision to make him? Chitravarma was talented in painting. You take a right decision to make him, he is said to Sri Krishnadevaraya. Sri Krishnadevaraya replied, the Emperor of Vijayanagara knows what is right. Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter our court. Children, we will continue next class remaining part of the lesson. Thank you.